What's up guys, this is Ed from Bloodshot. I've been playing around the UK now all around for the last 11 years, and we've just released our EP recently, and that's been doing really well. Played with a lot of bands, so that's been really good. And that's recently I got introduced to Collision Drumsticks. I've got to say, they're really well balanced, and I really do like, specifically because of my size and the power that I play, I really like the 5BR series. They've been brilliant to me so far. I've been really happy with how, well, not just how the sticks themselves have been going, but how fantastic the staff behind the brand have been treating me since I've been very lucky enough and honoured to join them. And yeah, compared to all the other sticks I've played, I mean, the durability is fantastic because I hit so hard and so fast, as you'll see in the video. So today I'm going to be playing our most popular track, Dead Horizons, which you can catch on Spotify and all other platforms. It goes in pretty hard and the drumming's pretty intense from what you can see. So it's a good testimonial for how good these sticks actually work. So yeah, thank you guys very much for taking me on board.